Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am making a lime pound cake. It's warming up outside. So today we're doing a citrus flavor. Our ingredients, I have key limes, cream cheese, butter, lime extract, vanilla extract, eggs, sugar, flour, salt, baking powder. Everything should be room temperature, nothing cold. I did add a 1/4 cup of the lime zest into the sugar mixture as well. You will also need a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and a 1/4 cup of lime juice. Add your butter into your bowl, and we're going to go in with the sugar and let that cream for about 8 minutes. You want it to be light and fluffy when you're done creaming it. That's how you know it's creamed properly. I'm going to add my extracts into my eggs because I'm on rush mode today. My kids are at a level of 1,000. You want your sugar and butter to look like this, light and fluffy, before you start adding your eggs and anything else to it. Since I'm working with cream cheese today, I'm going to add the eggs right into the mixture. Now you can add in your eggs one at a time. Don't overmix, and just allow each yolk to break before you add in the next one. Next, I'm going to go in with the dry mixture. You always start with your dry mixture and end with your dry mixture. You alternate it with the wet ingredients. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, I'm just adding in a 1/4 cup of lime juice with green food coloring. And now I'm going to add in that last bit of flour and mix. Don't overmix. Don't forget to scrape your sides of your bowl and underneath. Now I'm going to add my mixture into this pan that I've sprayed with pan baking spray. You can use any other spray that you like. It's going to go in the oven on 325 for an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. Depends on your oven. Do not open the oven before the first hour is up. Now that my cake is cooled, I'm going to add this glaze on top. It's just a cream cheese glaze with a little bit of the lime juice and green food coloring. Thank you for tuning in today. This is a moist and delicious cake. I normally don't like citrus cakes, but I ended up liking this and the orange pound cake, so give those a try when you have a chance. Consider subscribing to this channel. Come back for more recipes. Shalom.